I have been getting tons of feedback on that video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and you have entered into Queens Inc. once more again. So with that being said, if you have not already done so, just hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and like these videos, comment, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos from me. We have tons of stuff going on here. We have lots of DIYs. So today this is just going to be a sit down and talk video. This is a follow-up to a video that I did. I'll have it listed somewhere above here. It was a video that I did with the glycerin and what you should add to your lip glosses. I think that was the heading of the video, but I'm doing a follow-up on that today because I have been getting tons of feedback on that video. What to do, why didn't you do this, why didn't you do that, and so forth like that. So today I'm going to be speaking about some preservatives. I have 3 preservatives that I have been looking into, and I'm going to go into 2 of them. I just found out about one of them recently, so I'll let you know which one that is, but I know of 2 of them that you can add to your lip glosses. This channel, I started out doing home decor. I still do some of it. I do makeup, and now I do lots of lip glosses and cosmetics and stuff like that because that's my line of business right now. And remember to go and shop my brand. I have 2 shops. One is a Shopify, and I'll have everything listed below, coming across, or in the description box. I have an Etsy shop also, and I'm in the process of opening up my t-shirt shop on Etsy also. But I do have some apparel at my Shopify, so you guys can go and check that out. Yeah, so before we get into this video, we're going to be talking about what is a preservative, what are broad spectrum preservatives, 3 types of preservatives that I have found out about, and we're going to talk about the glycerin also. So I did go ahead and put on my glasses because I have my notes in my phone on my notepad, because I don't want to miss out on anything when it comes to this. So the first thing is, what is a preservative? Preservatives are ingredients that you add to a skincare formula to prevent the growth of bacteria, yeast, or fungi, however you may say it. I'm going to speak about 2 of them right now. Is Optiphen and Germall Plus. Those are the 2 that I am familiar with, and these are broad spectrum preservatives, which means that they preserve against yeast, fungi, and bacteria. So they preserve against all 3 of those harmful growths that can enter into your skincare products. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a brief overview of both of them, and then I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the 3rd one. So the Germall Plus is very easy to work with and can be used in all cosmetics. It does release formaldehyde, but you can use it at a very low rate, which is 0.1% to 0.5% of your formula. And the Optiphen Plus is a preservative of many people's choice. It is paraben free and it does not release formaldehyde, but you will have to use it at a higher rate, 0.75 to 1.5%. The Leucidal Liquid, it is a natural preservative, and it is derived from radishes that has been fermented with kimchi, and it's a Korean spicy cabbage. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but if you guys have sensitive skin or scalp, then this is the preservative for you. So with this product, I have seen some not so good reviews about it, but I don't know. Some people were saying that it clumped up their formulation, but I don't know. If you guys know anything about it, then you can comment below and let me know what's going on with this. and also about the measuring utensils. You can find them at Amazon. So any of you who has more knowledge with these preservatives, let me know. I got a lot of feedback in the other videos, so comment below and let me know what's going on or what do you think about these preservatives, or do you use them? Another thing is, which products need preservatives? Okay, this is the thing here. That's the glycerin falls in this category because glycerin is an humectant and it sucks in moisture, that is water. So if you add glycerin to your products, you will need a preservative, okay? Because if moisture gets into the product, then there's a huge chance for bacteria, yeast, or mold to develop in your products. And one way that you can tell is you probably can see some little small thicker growth in the products, or you can see a change in the product's color or something like that. Basically, anytime you formulate a product with water, you need a preservative, and glycerin is one of them, okay? But I would suggest, if you guys are formulating products for sale, to sell rather, I suggest you use a preservative in those products. You know when that product will come into contact with water. Okay, so some of the places that I found that you can purchase some preservatives from are Lotion Crafters and on Amazon. TKB has a preservative cap 2 and 5. So I've never used them. I don't know what they are all about, but you can also go and check those out. And remember, if you're using glycerin, you need a preservative, okay? So this was just a short little follow-up video on preservatives and how you should use them, when you should use them, what to use them in, and so forth. So I hope you guys found this very informative, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, so you don't miss out another video by me. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.